Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a bit.ly. A bit.ly is a short link to a really long URL. It makes it easy to memorize. So what you're going to do is if you don't have a bit.ly account, you're going to go to bit.ly.com. Then you'll get started for free and you'll scroll down and there's three different options. I think that the free one has a lot of options. I honestly just like it for the shorter link, but if you like some of these, you can look into those as well. So I'm going to click on get started for free. And then I'm just going to sign up with Google. That will make your sign up process a lot easier. Once you have signed up for Google, you're going to see something like this. So I've already created a bit.ly, and here are some of the bit.lys I've created. So for example, this one is for the EdTech newsletter. This is the long URL. So instead of having people click on this link, then what I did is I went ahead and created a bit.ly. So now I changed it to bit.ly/EdTech newsletter. So what you're going to do is if you want to do one for your Zoom links or for any other link for maybe your website or a website in particular, you're going to go to create. Here you're going to paste a really long URL. And right here, you're going to go ahead and, oh, I'm sorry. Here you're going to paste your long URL. Once you've done that, here, let me do one really quickly. Once you've done that, you're going to go to create. Oops. And then once you do that, it gives you a suggestion. If you don't like that one, then you can definitely make some edits. So I'm going to change it to banner info. Now it's important. Now it's important to note that it is title case sensitive. So make sure that if you want it in all caps, to put it in all caps. I think it's easier to just leave it lowercase so that nobody has to memorize that part unless they're all caps. But we're going to do banner classroom. You definitely can do something like if it's for your Zoom link that you're doing with your students, you can say, your last name, so Miss Sanchez or Sanchez 2020, 2021, something easy to remember. You're going to go ahead and click on save. And here you could have added, I forgot to add the title, but you can add the title. So maybe this is for the Google Classroom banner. So yours could say, Zoom link for students, or it can say my second grade website. Now, if I go here, if anybody just types this in, it'll go straight to the website that I linked it to. Okay, now let's see if our bit.ly worked. So our bit.ly is bit.ly/classroom banner, bit.ly/classroom banner. And sure enough, it took me to exactly the website, except now it's a shorter link. So kids don't have to memorize the long ones. One of the other features of bit.lys that I really like is that, let's refresh this one. It'll show you the total clicks. So of course, all of these clicks were just me, but your students would, depending on how many students you have, it would show how many times the students have clicked there. And then you can kind of see, and you can also see the time that they're clicking, which I thought was really helpful. Just to kind of see, when people are accessing whatever website you are linking. So that's nice. It gives you some analytics about that. And if you want more information on the analytics, then you do have to do the upgrade. But that's it for now. Hopefully that is something that's helpful for you. Take care.